What's up? I'm Ben.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Woodchuck. Welcome to Woodchuck. We design and manufacture wooden cases and covers for electronics. 100% made in the USA, 100% sustainable. We're using natural materials to create authentic products.
What we're really passionate about is creating a world more connected to nature. That's why we partner with nonprofits to get people back outside.
Woodchuck is a vehicle for change. We're bringing jobs back to America, nature back to people, and quality products back to consumers. Visit us now at woodchuckcase.com.